Chapter 10. Adapt faster. Most people fear failure. They avoid it. They hide from it. They judge themselves harshly when it happens. But those who master microhabits understand something deeper. Failure isn't the enemy. Failure is feedback. In fact, when you work with microhabits, small failures are not setbacks. They are essential tools for adaptation and growth. You don't need to avoid failing. You need to fail smaller, faster, smarter, and adapt immediately. This is the secret to becoming unstoppable. The microhabits safety net. Big goals often carry big emotional risks. If you fail at a big, public goal, it feels devastating. If you fail at a small, private microhabit, it feels manageable, even interesting. Microhabits allow you to experiment, adjust, and improve without the crushing fear of ruin or permanent failure. They give you a low-risk laboratory to build resilience. The fast feedback loop. The faster you get feedback, the faster you grow. Microhabits give you rapid, daily signals. Did the 2-minute journaling help me feel clearer today? Did stretching for 1 minute boost my afternoon energy? Did starting my workday with 5 deep breaths actually improve my focus? If yes, reinforce the habit. If no, tweak it slightly. Small cycles of action, feedback, and adjustment build mastery far faster than giant cycles of planning and waiting. How to fail forward with microhabits. Here's the simple formula for using micro failures to accelerate growth. Notice quickly. Don't wait for weeks to admit something isn't working. Microhabits give you daily clarity. Ask yourself, is this microhabit helping? Is it frictionless enough? Does it need adjustment? Adjust lightly. Don't throw everything away if something fails.